Hello, it's me again, Steve Rocks. Today I'm doing a request of Margot Brain 21. It's Millionaire of Queens of the Stone Age. First I have to say something about Josh Homme. I read a lot of interviews of him and I know that he prefers to play with used no-name guitars, and that makes the sound so unique and difficult to rebuild, of course. The first thing on this song is the intro. I'm pretty sure it was played with a baritone guitar, but I did my best. I was searching for a real no-name guitar and I found this one. It's a really cheap one and I was pretty amazed how good it sounded actually. Now I have the intro for you. Okay, let's go. Alright, that was the intro. As I said, I'm pretty sure it was played with a baritone guitar. You can hear that on the attack of the strings. But the rest of the sound is quite similar to the original and I hope you like it. Next is the main riff sound. The main sound is more heavy and goes like this. Alright, that was the main sound, and like last time you can download it for free, of course, straight under this video. And now I play along the whole song. I hope you'll like it. If you like it, leave a comment or subscribe, and see you soon next time. Bye bye.